Hello. Starting today and for every following Monday, I'm going to be setting you a story writing challenge. So what I'd like you to do is listen to the story starter and let that inspire you to write your own story of up to 500 words. And then when you've written your story, you can send them to Children's Laureate Wales, and we will pick a few and we will read them out so that Wales, the UK and the rest of the world can see what an amazing writer you are. Okay? So the starter for this week is from my new book, Wild, and hopefully it'll give you lots and lots of ideas. Here we go. Ah! I wake up on the roof, scrabble my heels against slate, try not to fall. I grip as tight as I can to the tiles and feel the pull in my muscles, the crack as my bones shift. What on earth am I doing up here? How did I get here? Well, that's for you to decide. Good luck with your stories. Can't wait to read them. Bye.